I wanted this job more than anything. I wake up the morning of my interview with a cough, but I mean a cough that would not quit. So I'm thinking, terrific, there goes my job, there goes my interview. So I found a drugstore. I pick out a medicine, but they said that I'd be better off with something that was going to work as well as codeine. And they gave me Formula 44.
Today's Formula 44, as effective as doctor-recommended codeine without narcotic side effects.
And the stuff worked.
And parents, ask your pediatrician about new pediatric Formula 44.